Hi everyone, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the beach. But more specifically, we're drawing a beach ball with a tropical drink and sunglasses and some seashells. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just using a Sharpie. You guys can use whatever you have at home. Let's start with, I want to start with the beach ball. Let's draw a little oval right over here. And when you're ready, let's go ahead and draw a circle right on your paper. And if it's not perfect, that's okay. The good thing about using a pencil is you can always go in and erase it, but using a Sharpie sometimes makes you more confident because you're telling yourself that you can do the drawing without using a pencil and eraser. So it's a personal choice. Okay, now that we have our beach ball all drawn, I just went in and I added curved lines. Let's go ahead. We're gonna leave a little space here. Let's draw like a U shape. This is going to be an actual coconut. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna draw an oval. Just like that. And now I'm going to go around my oval, and for the rim of the coconut, we're just gonna add a little wavy line. Now we're going to draw a straw coming out. Draw a line, diagonal line going up, come back down, and do the same thing on the bottom. Now, because we do have these lines here, the rim showing right here, we're just going to go in and add more lines on our straw. Let's add a cute little umbrella. So I'm just going to draw a curved line like this, and then I'm just going to draw another curved line on the bottom and a little line right here. Okay, let's go ahead and draw right below our coconut line and a line over here, a line over here, and let's draw a U shape for our sunglasses. And I like to add these little lines to make it look like more realistic. Now let's go in and add a double line here. And to make it look like the sunglasses are folded, we're just going to add a little curved line sticking out from the sides of the sunglasses. Let's do a double line here too. Okay, now let's go in, and before we put in our seashells, let's go in and draw the sand. So I'm just adding a wavy line and then come over to this side and add a wavy line to make it look like the sand. And you can also add some little dots to make it look more like sand. Okay, now we're going to come down here and we're going to add a starfish. So go ahead and draw an upside down V, and then we're just going to go around and do the same thing. Draw sideways or upside down V's. So you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on our star, and then we can also go in and draw little textures which are these little bumps that make it look more real. When you're ready, let's go in and draw a swirly line right over here. And then we're just going to add a little oval right there. And that'll make it look like a seashell. And if you want, we can do another seashell right over here. I'm just going to overlap it with this one. So let's draw a shape like this. And now we're going to go in and draw these lines on the inside. If you want, you can add a couple more. I think I want to add one over here. Draw a swirl and then a little oval. And the last thing we want to do is draw our water. Okay, when you guys are ready, we're just going to draw from the side of our page. We're going to draw just a line across to make it look like water. Depending on where your page ends, we're just going to draw that line. And I left a little space here because I'm going to go in and draw a palm tree with some coconuts. So on the side of your paper, we're going to draw a curved line coming up. And let's go ahead and draw another curved line, just like that. And now we're going to draw the leaves for our palm tree. So let's draw a circle here for the coconut, and let's draw another one down here. And then what I like to do is draw curved lines coming out for my palm tree leaves. So just wherever you can, draw curved lines coming out, as many as you would like. So I think I'm going to stop there. And then now we're going to use a zigzag line to make these leaves look more realistic. So now we're going to use a zigzag line to make these leaves look more realistic. Okay guys, here's the final drawing all completed. My camera did not record the zigzag lines that I drew, but I'm just going to show you right here. I just went in and drew some zigzag lines around the curved line. So you're going to do that on all the leaves. So zigzag line, zigzag line, zigzag line, zigzag line, and then I just added some curved lines right here to the trunk of the tree. And that is all. Let's come back and see what the colored version looks like. This is always my favorite part. Okay guys, here's the colored version. Of course, I always love coloring these in because they look so much better. I did use my iPad for this. I did use an app called Procreate, which is a digital app, drawing app, but you guys can use anything you have at home. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like and subscribe and share it with someone that you love. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.